In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Layla by Eric Clapton. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Eric Clapton Unplugged, that was a real game changer, and that is, of course, the acoustic version of Layla. I'm going to show you my way of doing it today. It's pretty darn close to how Eric plays it. By the way, please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. I'd love it if you did. I really appreciate it. And hit me up with any comments you have. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, let's get down to it. So, has a little pattern in the kind of a little groove that starts out with the D minor. That's basically the chorus. So the way I play that, you can play it lots of different ways, but I don't really get in. I kind of pinch the, and I start out with that D string. So I go, so I'm going from a D, C, B flat, C, D, D. So that's kind of, do that little lick in there. So I have the open A, little licks in that I'm going to show you to get the feel, but the main movement is so D, C, B flat, C, D, so it's a D minor. You can play that one too. I like the feel of it. It's kind of an economy of movement. So if you can get that, you'll get the groove, because that's when he solos. That's what he solos over. Layla, you got me on my knees, Layla. I'm begging, darling, please, Layla. Darling, won't you ease my worried mind? And then it goes into the verse. Does a little lick where it goes an open A to a C note. Okay? Open A, 3 on the A, and then I go to C sharp minor. What do you do? And then A flat major. What do you do? It's the 7th. And then you can do the full minor if you want, C sharp minor. And then it does a quick change, C, D, E. Or you could go be a C, D. So let me go over that one more time with you slow.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
C sharp minor, B flat, or A flat, sorry. C sharp minor, C, me so far. And then I do an F sharp minor, or we could do it like this, but I like it like this. F sharp minor 7th, B 7th, E major, and then a major E. I think it's the 7th there. A7, and then the F sharp minor to B, 7th, to E. And then what I do is I just hit a passing A minor. Notice rhythmically, and this is kind of a feel thing, but that's important to get that. Okay, that's your chorus. Darling, won't you ease my worried mind? So don't worry too much about the, I would say just keep it real. Got me on my knees, Layla. Darling, won't you ease my worried mind? And then intro into the verse. A, C sharp. What do you do when you get lonely? A flat, C sharp minor. Nobody worry about your side. That was a C, D, E. F sharp minor, B 7th, E 7th, A 7th, F sharp minor, okay? So let me do the whole, I'm going to play a verse into the chorus just so you get the feel of how it transitions, okay? So it starts out. What do you do when you get lonely? Nobody waiting by your side. You've been running hiding far too long. Sorry, that was a major. Hiding far too long. Sorry, F sharp minor. It's just your foolish bad love. You got me on my knees, Layla. Begging, darling, please, Layla. Darling, won't you ease my worried mind? Then the vamps out, Layla. Yeah, you got me on my knees, Layla. I'm begging, darling, please, Layla. Darling, won't you ease my worried mind? So that's my take on Eric Clapton, Layla, from Clapton Unplugged. Really great album. If you haven't checked it out, please do. And check me out, and I'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.